Hey guys, I'm David Cook, and you're on Q100Atlanta.com.
Thanks so much for coming out. This is really our way of saying thank you guys for listening to Q100.
Are you ready for your American Idol, David Cook?
This song goes out to every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for coming out tonight, for supporting the record, supporting all of us, man. This is great. This song's called Light On. Never really said too much, afraid it wouldn't be enough. Just try to keep my spirits up when there's no point in grieving. Doesn't matter anyway, but words can never make me stay. Words will never take my place when you know I'm leaving. Try to leave a light on when I'm gone, something I rely on to get home. When I can feel the night and make it light, try to keep me warm. Try to leave a light on when I'm gone, even in the daylight shine on. And when it's late at night, you can look inside, you won't feel so alone. You know we've been down that road, it seems 1,000 times before. My back to a closing door and my eyes to the season. You're all that underneath my heels, and you don't know how bad it feels. You're the only one that I have ever believed in. Try to leave a light on when I'm gone, something I rely on to get home. When I can feel the night and make it light, try to keep me warm. Try to leave a light on when I'm gone, even in the daylight shine on. And when it's late at night, you can look inside, you won't feel so alone. Oh sometimes it feels like we run out of love, when the signal keeps on breaking up, when the wires crossing my brain, you'll start my heart again. When I come around, yeah. You guys ready? Try to leave a light. Little louder, come on. I can feel it now. Try to leave a light on when I'm gone, even in the daylight shine on. And when it's late at night, you can look inside, you won't feel so alone. Try to leave a light on when I'm gone, even in the daylight shine on. And when it's late at night, you can look inside, you won't feel so alone. Thank you guys so much. Matt, Tasha Bedingfield, and OER up next. Have a good night. Happy holidays.